create the account microservice SQL database so we can connect to its own database. And for that, we just need to copy the connection string that we have in the security. Then we paste it into the account microservice. We go to the app settings JSON. We replace the connection string and we change the name of the database. And then the application is going to create a database on the DB initializer by calling the ensure created. This one is going to create a database if it doesn't exist. So we run the application. This is going to take a few seconds. It created a database. It sees the database with information that we have here in the model for the use customer model, and now we're able to call it, and we can see that we have the information twice. Why is that?